Welcome to today's physics class. In today's class, we are going to provide solution to this question on mechanics. Okay, we have the question here. It says a car starts from rest and accelerates at 3 meters per second squared for 8 seconds. Find the distance covered. Okay, now this is a question talking about distance under uniform acceleration. So uniform acceleration means when a body starts from rest. All right, understand? So first of all, we need to bring out what is given to us here. Let us list the parameters given. What is given to you? The first one here, we are given that acceleration A is equal to 3 meters per second squared. Now we're also given time equal to 8 seconds. Now, what formula connects acceleration and time together and also connects distance, right? We have acceleration, time, and distance. So that is where we will be making use of the equations of motion, which is also known as the kinematic equation. We know that the first equation says V is equal to U plus AT. Here we don't have distance. Now let's go to the number 2. We have V squared equal to U squared plus 2AS. You see that the initial velocity is what? 0. Okay. Then we have the final velocity here, which is not known. We don't have final velocity. And that is why we will not be making use of this equation. Now let us go to the next equation. We have distance S equal to ut plus half at squared. Okay, now let us make use of this because this has the initial velocity, which is 0. So from here we need to state our initial velocity to be equal to what? 0, because the car starts from rest. Okay, so that's 0. What we just need now, if u is 0, that means our s becomes equal to what? Half at squared, because 0 times t is 0. So we just move forward and plug in those values into this equation here. We'll plug it into this equation. So your s becomes 1 over 2 times, what is acceleration given there? Is 3. What is the time? The time is 8. Okay, so this will now give us 8 squared. We have s equal to 1 over 2 times 3 times 8 squared is what? 64. Now let us cancel 2 here, 1, 2 here, 32. So s becomes 3 times 32. So what will it give to us? That is s equal to what? 96 meters. So this is the answer to this question. I hope you understood that. Bye.